thought pink polos would hurt the rock. Before Cam got the shit to pop, the doors is closed. I felt like Bad Boy Street.
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with westkisshair. As you can see, I obviously took a peek. This box is so loaded. So firstly, I'm seeing my wig, and then we also got a pair of lashes. Super excited for that. I got a bonnet. I got this, you know, this elastic headband, and it's branded Westkiss. I also got a pair of wig caps. I got an edge brush and comb and an extra elastic band. You could use this on your edges as well, just like the previous band I showed you. And finally, in the box, I got a Westkiss drawstring bag, perfect to store your wig in. So yeah, now guys, I'm so excited for today's wig. Girl, oh my gosh, you see this edge? Oh my, guys, this is gonna be my travel wig. I'm traveling soon. You guys need to check me out on my vlog channel. So this is gonna be my travel look, okay? So happy. This wig is so full, guys. When I say extremely full, I'm talking 250% density. All right, this is 16 inches long, by the way. You see these juicy curls? You see the definition? This is also a 13 by 4 lace front. And when I said 13 by 4, I mean 13 by 4 straight across, not just in the mid portion. Straight across. So you could part this anywhere you like within that portion, and it looks very realistic. As you can see, these knots are bleached. Gorgeous, right? Yeah, really nicely done. And it's a medium cap, all right, and it's a natural color. Now I love how full to the tip it is. This is basically a long bob curly vibe. When you ever see that nice blunt cut, yeah, so I love that. Oh my god, can you tell how excited I am to go ahead and install this? Can you tell? Can you tell? By the way, stay tuned for my chit chat. Get ready with me, because I'm gonna be wearing the same hair. Oh, I'm not gonna even tell you, but yeah, stay tuned. All right, yeah. Okay, Westkiss come through. I love how nicely pre-plucked it is, man. This is a gorgeous HD lace front. Okay, so a little bit on the construction of the cap. Has a total of 3 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back, and they sewed on a extra elastic band on the inside. So I am super happy about that. So I can't say when last I showed you guys me doing my ball cap method, but I've been doing it a lot since lately. It just really helps with just protecting, you know, the area that I'm gonna apply the glue to. It just kind of, I don't know, I actually just find it super quick and easy. Well, doing it without it is way quicker, but I just use the spray, and the spray dries on really quick, so it's no bother to me. Before I spray my adhesive is I get a little bit of my lace spray, and just so that, you know, it blends in, so that will just allow it to blend nice. Okay, you dry that down before applying my adhesive. And honestly, I used to do the glue on this and then the glue again. It really don't make no sense. Just use the spray adhesive, and once you go ahead and apply the glue, it will stick same. It won't slip back or anything, and it still keeps very secure. So I do this too to ensure like longevity with my install, so know that. And then once that dry down, I'll just go over the area with my spray now, the actual adhesive, and continue drying it down. So nowadays I don't bother to, like, you know, like that part after you cut it with like the free edge, I don't bother to neat and fine and go back in to get it laying super flat, because what I'll do is I take my glue, right, and that will just handle all of that. So make sure you make your elastic, like the adjustable straps, as snug to your liking. I just take the elastic band portion first, gonna put it on over my head and ensure that that is center, and the elastic band portion isn't really that tight, so you don't have to worry. It's really not tight, to be honest. Just ensures a little bit more security. You see how juicy these curls are? Come on now. And the fluff is so soft. It literally is so soft. So alright, before I even move any further, I'm going to cut off the excess lace on the side because we need it to be sitting comfortably around the ear. That looks good. Do the same thing to the next side. And please note, when you cut off, you know, any excess from the side, that can accelerate a little bit of shedding in that area. So be mindful of that for sure. So now that we got that we know where we want the wig to sit and everything, you can just go in and peel back your lace fronts, right? And I'm going to just do one thing and be done today. I've been doing it in halves for a very long time, you know. Since recently I've been just doing it in one go. So get my Erica J, hold me down, and I'm gonna do like 3 good layers because we're gonna have this on for a couple days, okay? And I want it to be on there because by the time you guys see this, I would have already, you know, traveled. So yeah, I'm going to Jamaica and it's gonna be hot, you know. You guys know that from the Jamaica, I wear a wig like every day, right? I know here the wig will last longer with less effort because it's just not as hot right now. It's really not hot right now. You know, definitely warmer days because it's spring, but definitely not hot. But in Jamaica, yeah girl, when place a bun up, we peel back. So you have to ensure proper security, like with your installations.
Got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
Oh, it's grabbing that. Grabbing it. Immediate facelift. And that's one of the things that why I feel like I started to do this more. So you can see a bit of a ball cap here. I'm gonna fix that. It's totally fine. So yeah, does an instant even facelift. One of the cons I realized with doing it in halves is that sometimes it will leave one side up more than the other, because then I'm doing one side and it's lifting it, and then, you know, I do the next side afterwards. So that, yeah, I realized that I really needed to like take my time and just do everything all at once.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher.
You could wear this absolutely no baby hairs, and actually
magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart be needing. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing.
you see what I mean? Like just making the edges like softer here. You know, I love that vibe. So I did it with the sideburn area. You could definitely not do this because remember I already showed you that you have the option of doing no baby hairs. Okay, so this is the hair, super full. Look at that. That blunt vibe is so pretty. You really don't need to wet this up. I'm barely going to like spritz it with water because I don't want to drench it to give it that complete wet look, because I'm loving the vibe of how voluminous it looks. Like it's so pretty, and it really has great movement still. Like, you see that? Has great body. So Westkiss Hair definitely knows what you're doing. I am getting shedding, but as I told you, that is mainly because I cut the lace on the side. Everywhere else is pretty minimal, and hair is very soft. No product not added or anything. This is how it came. So imagine when you add a little water, you know, a little mousse. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Yeah. So, and this is how I'm gonna keep the edges just kind of like freestyle rather than kind of like, you know, keeping it super flat with a bunch of product. It just look way more kind of like, you know, natural. So yeah, let me just spritz it with some water just so you can see it, what it looks like, just to get the curls a little bit more defined.
Higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher. Higher. Oh.
It in a way where it keeps the volume regardless. Like, I'm really not flattening it down because I love this voluminous vibe. Like, how could you not love this, guys? Like, how could you not? It's perfect. And I know when I sleep overnight, this lace is gonna melt in even more, making it super seamless. So I love that. Love that. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna be sure to put the link to this wig in my description box. So please go ahead, check it out. All the specs will be listed for you guys. Once more, this is too bomb. Too bomb. Flat, realistic, curly install. It's really nice. But yeah, shout out to Westkiss Hair once more for today's bomb look. You know, they did their thing for sure. I'm really, really pleased. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then,